Hi, so I want to make a quick video on the HS1600. This applies to the HS1600 first gen and the HS1600 Mark II. If you find yourself where your program and preview are getting stuck, or your keyboard is getting stuck, or this portion is getting stuck as well, there's a simple thing you could try to do to see if this helps, okay? After some use, the keyboard and controller kind of gets memory stuck, and then you'll have some issues of ghosting effects, or your transitions aren't going all the way through, your keyboard portion might get stuck. If that's the case, the one thing you could try to do is doing a default on the HS16 switcher, okay? So with that being said, I have the switcher here, screen is there, okay? What you want to do is go to the menu here, click on menu, this will pop up. From there, use the arrows up and down, left or right. You're gonna go down to user mems, which is just basically user memories. Press enter. Orange means highlighted. Go down to factory default. Hit enter again. Again, orange means highlighted. Gonna hover from no to yes. Press enter. It goes away. You have done the factory default. Try again and see if it helps with any issues you're having, okay? Again, that is just for the HS16 first gen and HS16 Mark II. If anything is stuck or if not working properly, first try this and then we'll go from there. Thank you so much.